Hello everyone. In the last two sessions, you have learned data and information. Today, we are going to learn information system. Information system plays a key role in organizations. Without information system, organization difficult to survive and grow. And now, the role of information technology and database management system has empowered the information system, make the information system powerful and help the organization radically. The information system is vital for the organization for different purposes. So, today we will try to understand various concepts of information system, components of information system, various dimensions of information system, whether it is can be manual information system or computer based information system, the database and IT role in information system, what type of framework we use information system, what is the basic goals of information system, how success of information system is measured, and information system for various functions, activities, and how information system helps in decision making. And besides that, we will try to see what are the basic challenges of information system in different aspects. Let us understand what is information system. Before that, we must know information and system. Already you know about information, it is nothing but processed data. You put a context in the data. When data is processed, it becomes information, has some characteristics like specific, reliable, meaningful, timely. There are different characteristics which you have understood in the previous session. So, today we will try to understand what is a system. A system, if you see a set of interrelated objects, input, output, processing step, feedback, control, these are the basic parts of information a system. For example, digestive system is a system, respiratory system, it is a system. A system means a set of interrelated entities work in a unified way for achieving one objective. It receives inputs, process it or store it, and then it has a feedback and control unit, and control unit what it does, it try to, if you see, it try to take the input, measures the standard, measures the output, match with standard, find the deviation and give feedback to the system. So, these are the basic components of any system. Let us understand what is open system and closed system. If you see, open system means the boundary or the environment is open, means the system interacts with the boundary or environment. Information system is an open system, like closed system. A closed system means it does not interact with outside system. If you remember in the early days, you must have learned Charles' law, Boyle's law, keeping temperature constant, pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So, this is basically a closed system. You experiment something in a closed system. So, that is this is the difference between open and closed system. Now, then what is information system? Information system is a system, a formal system, is a techno-social system, socio-technical system that has a set of components or subsystem that takes input, store it, process or analyze it, produces output, disseminate the output for various purpose, for example, decision making, coordination, planning, control, and whatever deviation is measured is again go through feedback and control unit, so that performance will be improved. So, in this case, if you see, information system has different type of components, like for example, it is input, output, processing and analysis, feedback, control, technology, these are all components of any information system. So, basically information system helps the organization in various ways. for storing data, for processing it, analyzing it, to produce the output, disseminate the output, so that that information can be used for decision making and other purposes. Any deviation is maintained, is controlled by feedback and control unit, that again comes back, and then the feedback is given to the system and the system is improved. So, this is the job of information system. What are the goals of information system? If you see information system, the goals, what are the goals? So, information system is designed to make a query, to store the information, to store the data, to update the data, to create reports, to generate reports, to visualize the data. There are various objectives of information system. Organizations use information system for different purposes, one or many purposes. So, basically they want to improve their efficiency of the organization, efficacy of the organization, they want to reduce the cost, they want to do the operations in less time, they want to develop a new product, they want to work in a altogether different way. Decision making capability, by using information system, organizations can improve their decision making capability. They get competitive advantage by using information system, and then they used to monitor various activities by using information system. Besides that, they can change the business process of the organization by using information system. Information system helps the organization in many ways. It helps the organization for survival as well as growth of the company, and also it will help them to compete with other organizations. So, this is the way how information system helps the organization in different ways. So, you have learned information system, the definition. As I said, it is a formal socio-technical system. It is used by organizations for storing information, for collecting data and store information, process data, process information and disseminate information, so that it can be used for decision purpose. Let us understand how the information system evolved over a period of time. In the previous days, there is no information technology, but information system was there. So, paper based system, if you remember, government departments, they used different paper based system. So, then they used to store, write on information on the paper, analyze manually and write different type of reports. But over a period of time, due to the advent of information technology, the information system evolved. Various type of input devices, output devices, storing devices, dissemination devices or communication devices evolved over a period of time, and industrial age is converted to a science, different type of industry age. Okay. So, industrial age is now changed to information age. So, over a period of time, information system evolved. The manual system, what is a manual system? Manual system is a system, information system, where everything is done manually. You take input, store the input and process, analysis, output, dissemination of information, everything is done manually, and nowhere information technology or information communication technology has not been used. So, this is known as manual information system. Remember, manual information system still exists in the organization. You can't deny manual information system. It is also useful. It is not necessary that you always put information technology or ICT everywhere in the information system components. So, manual system, information system exist. Now, then what is computer based information system? In the computer based information system, you use computers, information technology, communication technology. For example, you use certain technology while collecting data. For example, RFID, GPS, the point of sale, there are many ways technology available for taking the data, getting the data from different sources, then you store the data. For storing data, you can use technology. For example, database management system, database, different type of computer based system, computers, items or information technology. So, that it and then similarly, you can use information, you can use communication system for dissemination of information, and at the end you can use technology to use as the information system by using decision support system, by using different type of hardware where you can visualize the data or output in different way. So, in this way, in each and every component of information system you can use technology or computer systems. So, in that case we call it as computer based information system. Let us understand the role of database or in the data in computer information system. How important database is? Can a system exist without database? Yes, one system can exist without database, but a database, if you put, it has its own advantage. A database, data can be shared, data is integrated. Database, by using database management system, you can store data, you can process data, you can analyze data, and you can do any type of operations on the database by using database management system. So, database plays an important role in information system. Using database system, information system will become more powerful. It acts as an enabler to information system. So, by implementing database information system, you collect different type of data from different sources, store the data so that it can be processed and analyzed, and then it disseminate by different system to the users of the information system. There are many users of the system. Who are the users of the system? Like employees are user of the system, management different level are user of the system, government user of the system. So, different stakeholders of the organizations are users of the system. So, information system should be designed accordingly to suit different needs of the user system, which we will discuss in some other session. Now, you learn what is the role of database management system and database. Database management system is nothing but a software that manages database. It is a program. Database is data. By using database management system, you create a database, you store data in the database, you manipulate data in the database, and you analyze and process in the database. That database management system interacts with the database and gives the information to the users. So, database management system, database must be part of the information system, so that information system becomes more efficient, more lively, more helpful to the organization. So, this is the way how database and database management system helps the information system in different way. Okay. We have discussed various aspects of information system. Before we proceed, let us talk some examples of information system. Sales distribution system is an example of information system. ERP as an example of information system. Hiring system is an example of recruitment and hiring system is an example of information system. Sales order processing is an information system. It can be a function, it can be used for a function, it can be used for a process, and it can be used for cross functional areas. So, different type of information system exist in organization for different purposes, which we will discuss in more details. Let us understand what are the dimensions of information system. If you see, there are 3 dimensions of information system: organization, management, technology. Now, I can ask you one question: who develop information system? It is the people. Who manage information system? It is the people. Who monitors the information system? It is the people. Who uses the information system? It is the people. So, that means people are more important than information technology. It is information technology, yes, it is required, but more important is people who manage the information, who plays an important role of the information system. So, it is, and tell me where the employees work in the organization. Organization has different type of components. For example, we have culture, we have set of value system, we have a hierarchy, we have managers in working in the organizations, we have a decision making process, we have procedures, we have different type of rules, regulations, politics in an organization. So, each and every aspect of organization influence the information system, because it is the employees or people who work for, who is associated with the information technology. So, these are the three most important components of any information system. I repeat, organization, management and technology. So, organization, as I told you, it comprises of different culture, standard processes and all the things. Similarly, management is nothing but a set of managers and decision making. They take decisions, following certain principles, they take decisions. So, decision making managers are component of management aspects. So, there are different levels of management, there are different functions, activity of management, and managers work for different activities. Similarly, the last component is technology. Technology, as I told you in the previous module, that technology plays an important role. For example, database management system, database, information communication technology, computer systems, they are very important for information system. Information system uses this technology. Without using that, information system can exist, but again, if you use those technology, the power of the information system increase a lot. Now, we will try to understand a concept called disruptive technology. What is disruptive technology? Disruptive technology is a technology or innovation that disrupts the existing business model, that disrupts the existing system, product, processes. Disruptive technology means it is an innovation by which the existing process, existing place, existing products will be a change. There will be a change in the existing system. It disrupts, and it, by using disruptive technology, you can reduce the cost of the production, or you get the things done timely, less time, and different type of features you can put in the technology. So, the disruptive technology changes the way business is done. For example, database system is a disruptive technology, internet is an example disruptive technology. So, these are the examples of disruptive technology. Communications system is a disruptive technology. Recently, artificial intelligence is also a disruptive technology. Cloud computing is also a disruptive technology. Why do you say it is disruptive? Because it is changes the way things done. It is a radical change. It disrupts the existing business model. For example, by using artificial intelligence, people are now changing their hiring process. They are getting more advantage. You take the example of cloud services. Different cloud models are now coming up. It is less cost, low cost to the organizations, and they have different type of advantage. You take the example of Uber. Uber is using one type of algorithm that changes the business, the entire business. So, Uber is taking advantage of algorithm. So, it enables the business process in such a way they are getting competitive advantage. It has changed the complete business model. They are taking advantage over others. So, now this type of technology, previous technology and now new technology, there is a huge difference. For example, RFID. RFID is a disruptive technology. It will, by which you can identify some item. Item will tell you where it is. It is not that you go and search the item. Earlier you are searching the item, but now item will tell you where it is. It is because of the disruptive technology. The way the process is done is completely changed. So, you take the example of expert system. Expert system is a software system by which one generalist become an expert. By using expert system, one can become a specialist. So because expert system will help the person and taking decision as like an expert. You take the example of PDA, personal digital assistants. Nowadays, the people, field workers, they go to different type of remote places, and they earlier they used to come back and write all the reports and submit to the organizations, offices in the town. They come a long way and submit the reports, but nowadays they go with PDA and then they enter the data there itself. So, that immediately it can be transferred to the departments. So, departments gets the information immediately. It has changed the way things is done. You take the example of database management system. It is a shared database. Earlier information was kept in different places, but now what happened? The entire data information is stored in a database which is shared in the by using different type of systems, different type of departments of the organization or organizations remote places. You take the example of Harrah's Entertainment, or nowadays it is known as Caesar International. So, if you see Harrah's Entertainment, the database has changed the way they work totally. So, by using communication systems, database management system, they have changed their business process and they become most competitive in the industry. So, these are all the basic differences between old and new system. So, they change and they are known as a disruptive technology because they disrupt the business. Now, you are going to use this disruptive technology in information system, then the information system will become more powerful and help the organizations radically, because of the not only because of the power of information system, but because of the power of the disruptive technology. You change the entire industry, you change the entire organization, you become the leader of the organization, you become competitive in the organization, you get more customers, you get more revenue, you get more visibility. So, in different way information system helping you, and when you use technology in the information system, the benefit are multifold. So, can information system exist without minimal use of information technology? Yes, information system can exist without technology or with minimum technology. There are many companies in the world who are number one in the organization, in the industry, still do not use information technology, or they use minimum use of technology or outdated technology, still they survive because of the principle which you will learn in future or in some other course, that how information system is aligned to the organization business strategy or business mission, vision, goal, and they know that is the reason why they are taking advantage in such a big way. So, information system can exist and information system may not exist with IT. So, you must be wondering that IT exists, information system exists. No, it may not. For example, you have very good IT people, IT systems in your organizations. So, it does not mean that your information system is very good. No, you may not have information system or proper information system. Any organization, information system is blood like of the organization, life of the organization. Okay. Somehow it exists. You cannot say information system does not exist. Whether IT or non-IT, information system exists, otherwise organization cannot exist. Information system, organization, people, management, they integrate and work together, then only things happen. So, similarly, here organization may exist, information system can exist without information technology, and in an organization information technology exists, but information system may not exist properly. Exist properly means information is not efficient, not good. Why? Because people are more important. You have all type of technology, people, everything is there related to information technology, but your people attitude is not proper. They do not use the system, they do not get input from the sources, they do not store the input, they do not process the output. process the input, they do not use the input output. So, there are many organizations in this country where information system failed because of non-use of information system or non-acceptance by different users or some category of users. Some people do not believe on information system. In that case, whatever technology you put, information system may not work properly, but as organization no IT, but still information system can exist, because it is more important, people is more important who used to manage the information system. Okay, efficiency will be reduced, but information system exists, and it is very good compared to an organization with high technology, but no people involvement, use of information system or application of information system. They do not follow the process of information system, the demands of information system. When you implement information system, you follow certain process. If you do not follow information that process, with whatever information technology use does not matter, it will not help you to the organization.